What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best concrete saws on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. VEVOR Concrete Saw. Traditional cutting operations often result in debris spread and lung damage. However, with the VEVOR electric concrete saw, you can bid farewell to these concerns. Equipped with a wet cutting attachment, this saw ensures direct water spraying, enhancing cutting precision while minimizing mess and health hazards. High-efficient working, powered by a robust 1800W motor, the VEVOR concrete saw boasts a rapid 5,800 RPM speed. This translates to efficient slotting and swift, stable cutting. Its 15A pure copper motor guarantees heat-proof performance, ensuring longevity without compromise. Secure operation, safety is non-negotiable, and the VEVOR concrete saw prioritizes it at every turn. The double switch mechanism prevents accidental activation, safeguarding users from potential harm. Moreover, features like slow start, overload protection, and built-in GFCI enhance operational smoothness and extend the machine's lifespan. Convenient to use, efficiency meets convenience with the VEVOR concrete cutter. Its wheelbase serves as both a cutting and positioning device, facilitating precise grooving with minimal effort. The sizable D-shaped handle is ergonomically crafted for comfortable gripping during extended work sessions, ensuring fatigue-free operation. Fit for multiple materials, versatility is the hallmark of the VEVOR concrete cutter saw. With a 9-inch saw blade capable of cutting up to 3.5 deep, it tackles an array of materials with ease. Number 4. Evolution Disc Cut 1 Electric Concrete Saw. The Evolution Electric Disc Cutter is engineered to tackle a myriad of materials with ease. From tough reinforced concrete to stone, brick, paving, and more, its versatility knows no bounds. Say goodbye to limitations and embrace a tool designed to exceed expectations. Safe and economical. With a 15-amp, 1800W, high-torque electric motor, the Evolution Disc Cutter delivers power without the harmful fumes associated with petrol-powered alternatives. Bid farewell to high-maintenance costs and embrace an eco-friendly solution that prioritizes safety and efficiency. Ergonomic design. The Evolution Disc Cut 1 boasts an ergonomic design tailored for user comfort and precision cutting. Equipped with soft grip, mid-position, front, and rear support handles, it offers optimal control in both horizontal and vertical modes. Experience cutting-edge ergonomics that enhance productivity and accuracy. Large cutting depth. Armed with a 12-inch diamond blade. Number 3. Evolution Saw. The Evolution prioritizes safety and compliance with dual-sided water delivery for effective dust suppression, meeting OSHA regulations. Say goodbye to hazardous dust particles and hello to a cleaner, safer work environment. Huge cut depth. With a remarkable 4.5 cut depth and an adjustable blade guard, the Evolution offers versatility for both vertical and horizontal cutting applications. Achieve precise cuts with ease, whether you're working on floors, walls, or ceilings. Powerful electric motor. Equipped with a robust 15A electric motor, the Evolution delivers powerful performance without the hassle of pull cords, fuel, or regular servicing. Experience efficiency and reliability like never before. Warranty and blade inclusion. Enjoy peace of mind with the Evolution thanks to its 3-year best-in-class warranty and Power Protect technology. Number 2. Makita Gas-Powered Concrete Saw. Experience increased operational efficiency and cleaner emissions with the new Scavenging Losses Rejection (SLR) muffler. This innovative feature recycles exhaust unburnt gas emissions, setting a new standard for environmental responsibility and performance optimization. Lightweight design. Weighing in at just 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds, lighter than its predecessor, the Makita EK6101 offers enhanced maneuverability without compromising on power. Experience greater control and comfort during extended cutting sessions, ensuring maximum productivity with minimal fatigue. Enhanced 5-stage air filtration. Say goodbye to dust-related performance issues with the Makita EK6101's advanced cyclone pre-separation system, effectively removing dust particles away from the intake air and reducing dust buildup on the filter. This system ensures optimal performance and longevity. Rapid start pull force reduction. Starting your cutting tasks has never been easier thanks to the spring-assisted recoil starter of the Makita EK6101. Number 1. Husqvarna Gasoline Concrete Saw. Experience hassle-free operation with the semi-automatic smart tensioning system of the Husqvarna K770. This innovative feature minimizes the risk of under- and over-tensioning, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Lightweight, compact, and powerful, The Husqvarna K770 is designed to deliver exceptional power in a lightweight and compact package. With a superior power-to-weight ratio, this machine offers unmatched maneuverability and efficiency on the job site. Cast magnesium crankcase. Engineered for durability and performance, the cast magnesium crankcase of the Husqvarna K770 boasts a 3-bolt joint to attach the cutting head. This design ensures higher torsional rigidity compared to previous solutions, providing stability and precision during cutting operations. Maintenance-free durability. Enjoy extended service intervals with the Husqvarna K770's robust design. The strong poly V-belt, combined with the maintenance-free Durastarter and efficient filter system active air filtration, ensures long-lasting performance even in demanding environments. Impressive cutting depth. With a maximum cutting depth of 5 inches, the Husqvarna K770 empowers you to tackle a wide range of cutting tasks with ease. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.